Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are reviewing some more train news. The spotlight of this video is going to be the Union Pacific Heritage units being donated. The train consisted of Dash 944 CW 5716 leading. Right behind it, we have the Challenger 3985, which is finally being donated with 4014's tender. Union Pacific 5511. This thing hasn't gone outside in a while. We had the DDA 40X 6936, a few cars behind it. Uh, it came with several Union Pacific cars as well. It came with another train, but it looked really bad. But behind those was a typical freight train with another Dash 944 CW behind it. So I'm going to show a clip of the units going to where it's going to be donated to. By the way, I do not own the video that's going to be played. I was given permission to, and I will leave a link of their channel and the video in the description. And yeah. Just for some backstory, on November 11th, 2022, Union Pacific began the process of moving multiple units of the historical thing to donate it to the railroading heritage of Midwest America, where they will all be restored and ran again, which will be very cool. Sadly, I probably can't be there because, I live in California. But, I think there's going to be live streams of it, but yeah. Anyways, we're going to move on to some more news. Some more news for some train riders. Metrolink is offering a 30% discount because, we got them to 30 years for a limited time. All trains are going to be 30% discount, so ride them while you can to Oceanside or LA Union Station from what I believe. I think it goes that far, but probably longer from what I believe. Anyways, now some news from Canadian Pacific. Its hydrogen locomotive 1001 was tasked to pull in Southern Pacific. No, Canadian Pacific, my bad. 2816 to prepare for a special occasion where it's going to have an excursion. There's not that much info right now. This is the only photo I could find. But yeah, that's all the news I've got for you guys today. I think this is going to be like our little series. I'll make a new playlist of train news. And yeah, See you guys in the next one. I hope it's a gaming video. Sorry I haven't done that much because I've been planning a lot of train videos and real life videos. There's an upcoming one. It's going to be at March Air Museum. But yeah, love you guys. See you guys in the next one. See ya.